Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another tuning break. This is group break number 324, Wednesday, June the 3rd. This is SP Authentic. Box number is 256. Good luck, guys. Let's pull a Nuge or a Gretzky or a Taze or a patch. Something good. If I see a patch, I'm going to put it away till the end. We start with an all base pack. Base. 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 They have Sons of Anarchy. Base. And hopefully we get a hit in this box. So far, all base in 1/3 of the box. Yep. We opened 2, 4, 6, 8 packs. All base. Nope. Base. It's an all base box. Imagine that. Oh, no, I see a hit coming. Well, it's not really a hit. But for the Rangers, SP Essentials, Mark Messier. Base. Yeah, 3. There is our first Future Watch. Not bad. 768 of 999 for the Detroit Red Wings. Future Watch autograph of Gustav Nyquist.
That's a nice one.
That's a pretty good hit. Congrats, Detroit. Nyquist is definitely one of the better rookies that you could get. And we have Sign of the Times for the Edmonton Oilers, Sam Gagner. Not a Nuge. It's not a Gretzky. It's a Sam Gagner for Oilers. Jason, you got a hit. Base. Holo effects for the San Jose Sharks, Harry Sateri. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, rookie holo effects, Jake Gardiner. Oh, there's a redemption. Let's see. Future Watch 9 to 999. Thomas Vinsour for the Dallas Stars. Boo.
Did I hit?
Dallas, let me know if you want the redemption.
Florida.
I mean the code only. I will send you the redemption. Oh, we got an extra hit. For the Ottawa Senators, Future Watch autograph to 999, Colin Greening. We got 4 autos in this one. I guess not bad. Move back. You have Dallas. I will send you the code if you want. Instead of shipping it. Feature Watch non-autograph 997 of 999, Euro Tarky for the Anaheim Ducks. Back to base. SP Essential for the Leafs, Phil Kessel.
Florida.
Two packs left. Last pack.
This is it.
Florida hit. Nope. Base pack. So there you go, guys. Group break number 324 is in the books. We'll be back shortly.
Good for you.